very serious and mixed feeling for all of us to lose loved ones, children, particularly in Oyo State, then followed by various other reports. But are we looking at it from organizers' point of view? Or are you looking at it from the goodwill gesture of the people trying to give out whatever they have accessed? And it's very sad that people are not well organized. We just have to be more disciplined in our society. Okay. Condolences to those who lost the family member. But it is good to give. I have been given out foodstuffs, commodities, and clothing envelopes and body love for the last 25 years. I've never experienced this kind of incident because we are organized, prone to discipline. And if you know you don't have enough to give, don't attempt to even give or publicize it. Is the question. No, every society, even in America, they have food banks. They have hungry people. In Britain, they have food banks. They have warehouses. They are organized. They take tokens to be in line and take turns to collect. It's unfortunate. We just have to. It's a reflection in our bus stops where we don't even want to be on queue before we rush into the vehicle. It is very sad, but we continue to learn from our mistakes. To me, I see this as a very grave error on the part of the organizers. But things are improving. It doesn't kill our happiness for this season. It should be. We should just get on with it.